Google Organic Ranking. Common mistakes to avoid. Google Organic Ranking is a list of results that you see when you search for something on Google. It's a list of websites that Google thinks are most relevant to your search. Some sites will have more than one page of results, but they are always ranked in order, so the first result is always the most relevant. A lot of people think that SEO is just about getting higher rankings in Google's search results. That's wrong. The goal is not just to rank well in Google. It's also about bringing traffic to your site and converting that traffic into leads or sales. That said, we're going to talk about some common mistakes people make when trying to improve their website's Google Organic Ranking, and how you can avoid them. Let's start with a big one: duplicate content. This is when your website has multiple pages, each of which contain the exact same content. Duplicate content is bad because it's essentially like you're trying to trick Google into thinking there are two separate sites on the internet, or that there are two separate pages on your website. So, if you just have a few pages that share exactly the same content, Google will think it's a single site and rank it accordingly. In fact, if you have too many pages with duplicate content on them, Google might even penalize your whole domain and lower its ranking as punishment for what it sees as spammy behavior. Another mistake people often make is not optimizing their titles and meta descriptions correctly. This means making sure that they're relevant to what people are searching for when they find your site, but also written in an interesting way. That way, they can entice people off of Google and onto your page by making them curious enough to click through. The third mistake is not optimizing your site for local searches. If your business has a physical location, make sure that you optimize it for local searches by including your address and phone number on the page. That way, people who are searching in their area can find it easily. The last mistake is not having an XML sitemap on your site. This helps Google crawl through all of the pages on your site more effectively, which means they'll rank higher in search results. Avoiding these mistakes is really important when it comes to getting high rankings from Google. Make sure you find the right kind of customers for your business. Visit linkdaddy.shop today to learn more about Google Organic Ranking.